Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your generated image on Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Models, Create, My Library, and more. Go ahead and tap on My Library from the bottom right corner. There you're gonna find options like your generations, favorite models, and liked images, etc. Go ahead, stay on your generation and select the generation that you want to download. Once you do that, you can see options right below that image. Select the share option, which is the first option there. Once you do that, it might take a couple seconds. Then Leonardo AI will give the option to copy the image, copy the URL, or go ahead and tap on Save Image. It's your choice. Then the generated image will be downloaded on your phone. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.